Hey everyone, struggling with solving tough math problems or formatting equations? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Today we're diving into two incredible tools, DeepSeek R1 and MassiveMark Playground, to simplify even the most challenging math tasks. Let's get started. First, let me introduce you to DeepSeek R1, a free alternative to ChatGPT designed specifically for solving tough math problems with ease. It's built to handle complex calculations, STEM equations, and more. Here's how it works. Visit deepseek.com and open the tool. Enter your math problem in the input box or paste it directly. Let DeepSeek R1 analyze and solve your problem step by step. In seconds, you'll get an accurate, detailed solution that not only gives you the answer, but also explains the steps involved. Whether it's algebra, calculus, or technical diagrams, DeepSeek R1 handles it all. And just like that, it provides a complete solution with step by step instructions. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly easy to use. Now that we've got the solution from DeepSeek R1, let's make it presentation ready using MassiveMark Playground on bibsit.com. Here's how you do it. Copy the equation or solution from DeepSeek R1. Go to bibsit.com and click on the MassiveMark Playground section. Paste the copied equation or solution into the text input box. Click Insert, and MassiveMark will instantly format your equation perfectly. MassiveMark ensures your equations are clean, editable, and presentation ready. No more worrying about formatting issues or losing structure when copying into Word. Once your equation is formatted, MassiveMark lets you export your document with ease. Simply click Download as DocX or Download as PDF to save your work in the desired format. Now you've got a polished, professional document ready to submit or present. DeepSeek R1 and MassiveMark are the ultimate pair for handling math problems and creating high quality documents. Whether you're a student, teacher, or researcher, these tools save you time and make your work look amazing. Ready to upgrade how you handle math problems? Try DeepSeek R1 for solving equations and MassiveMark Playground for formatting them effortlessly. Visit deepseek.com and bibsit.com today to try them out. Don't forget to